recording this. Alrighty, wait, Suarez and T. So can't spell that. Yup, this guy. Let's go. Oh fuck. Where's my strength totem? Oh my god, dog. Strength. Oh, no wonder I'm a fucking moron. Oh, where's Brain Heal? Brain Heal rank 2. Brain Heal rank 2. Let's go, boys. We're gonna use rank 5 because rank 2 is for sustained easy collapse heals. Who the fuck brought the ads, moron? I don't even have a meter on, I just want... Yo, can I get Dispel, bro? Oh yeah, let's do this. Oh, it is easy. Old life boots, so I'm just gonna need that. Yep. Exodar life stat, we're just gonna need that. Use fuck. Damn, that was hard. Yeah, that was really hard. We zugged it. PTR, easy claps. PUG! I got boots. PUG, I got boots. Let's go, boys. Easy claps. So this is BOP? Hold on. Soul down. PUG. Yeah, fuck these. PUG. Killed Doomwalker last night. It's probably not. Okay. Let's run a PTR here. That was hella fun. Bore speed, check. I need gems. Kind of gems. Blue socket, yellow socket. So I need... No, not a glowing night's eye. blue socket. That's purple. I need a purple. This one. And a yellow socket. I need orange. I forget which one it is. This one. Big paw. Big paw. And I think that's fucking it. PUG champ. Later, nerds. Bye bye. Shit. Where's my quit recording vid? Bye bye.